Another day, another fragrance review. Hey guys, welcome to yet another video of Fragrance Jam, and today I'll be talking about the latest release from this house. You know which house this is, you know which fragrance this is. This is Encelade, and I am not butchering the name of this house, so please forgive me. You know which house this is. Anyway, so this is Encelade, and this is their latest release. I was able to get my hands on it, and let's see what the initial impression of this one is. So this house has very few releases, and all of them are actually their best sellers. You must be aware about Ganymede, and that actually is their best seller. So this is how the fragrance looks like, and the presentation is very similar to the previous one. Actually, all their presentations are the same. So let's take a look at the bottle, and this is how the bottle looks like. There's a very good thing about the bottle of this house is that the labels are very weird in a good way, because you can see that there's a label here, but it is not engraved, and it is not even a sticker. So it is like it is stuck from the back side of the bottle. I don't know how, but they did it, and it's very good. The cap is very good, and it fits nicely. You'll be able to hear the click here. That's how it is. You will be able to hold the bottle like this. So I guess I'm the very first person to review this one on YouTube from India, so that's a very good thing, at least for me. So this is my first impression, and I don't know how this smells like, but I am very excited. So let's try this one and see if this is really worth it. The previous release of their house, that was Ganymede, was very good according to people, but I didn't like it that much. It was okay, but I don't know, it didn't actually excite me that much. So initial impression of Encelade. This is strong. Okay. Yeah, so this one is good. I'll say very good, in fact, because the previous release Ganymede was I say it was not the beast mode kind of fragrance, and I was never able to connect to the other one, that is B683. That was very synthetic to my nose. Ganymede was okay, and this one I think is something that I like. Okay, so reverb is something that is very prominent and heavy here, and the second thing that you'll get here is vetiver. Now, this is a beast mode fragrance, that's for sure. So initial impression, I'll say that this one is very good, and very good, I mean literally very good, because there are very less perfumes that are exciting to me at first sniff, and this one is. I know it is not mentioned here, but I get a lot of saffron in this perfume, because the saffron here reminds me of Nishane Saffron Colonize. So I get a little bit of that vibe, and it's weird because the saffron is not mentioned here, but I get it. And this has this tangy vibe to it. Maybe this is because of rhubarb, I'm not sure, but the sandalwood, I think most probably will be in the dry down, because this is just the initial notes, and yeah, I mean this is good, and I'm pretty sure that I prefer this one over Ganymede, because I never actually liked Ganymede that much. Yes, it is hyped, and yes, people love it, but I never did. But I think I love this one, and I like this one because this is my type. I like fragrances that are loud, that are literally shouting, and this is kind of my type. So let me do a full wearing of this one, and I'll let you know how exactly this one is, how exactly this lasts, and whether or not this is worth it. I just did 2 sprays on the strip, and I can sniff this entire perfume in my room. This is very strong. People who are thinking about this perfume as not a beast mode fragrance, they are gonna be disappointed, because this is a strong one. So I guess, yeah, this is it regarding the initial impression of Encelade, and I'll come up with a full review very soon. So we'll see you in the next episode, guys. Take care. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.